Hi, I'm Maria Nereus, the resident craft expert here at favecrafts.com, and I'm bringing to you today Fave Crafts 365. It's our daily video log report to you to let you know what's going on here at favecrafts.com. Well, I'm a bit of a junkie for cutratecrafts.com. It's a site that I found, wonderful supplies, and something I ordered came in today. Yep, Martha Stewart Punch Around the Page. This is a combo set of paper punches. There is a corner punch in which you punch the corner, and then you use a coordinating border punch to punch the rest of the page. And it does a beautiful design all the way around your paper, or you could go along the top and down the side. The combinations are endless, and I love it. And of course I wanted to show you examples of what I've been doing with these punches, but during my first test run of this, when I held them up, somehow my computer went a little wacko and would not focus. And I didn't want you to think that it was a blooper. We're not doing any bloopers today. We're going to get this perfect. So you're going to be seeing a little slideshow at the end of this video where I show you different examples of the wonderful combinations. This is one of the most clever tools that I've discovered in paper crafting in a long time, and I really wanted to share it with you. I also have lots of projects posted on favecrafts.com using this technique. I've given you all the information and all the links in the blog post. I'd also like to know if you're using this technique, this punch around the page. We'd love to see your examples of it. If you have any tips or things that you've enjoyed doing with these paper punches, we'd really love to know about it because we learn so much from you, and it's great because all that gets shared back out. From all of us here at favecrafts.com, we're wishing you a creative day.